Good afternoon, children. As you can see on the board, I've written on the board, we are doing our chapter number 6 in civics, yes, and we are learning about advertising, isn't it? The chapter's name is Understanding Advertising, and in the last class I had explained what is an advertisement, then what are the different terms related to it, like I had explained to you about the brands and brand values and the companies, okay, who use these brand values, who have these brands under their names, right? And they use them to sell their goods, everything I had explained last time, right? I meant to say in the last class. So today I am just going to explain how these advertisements are made, isn't it? Now as you know, advertisements are the source of promoting the different goods or services, or say for example it is a source which helps the people to understand about the different products that they use into their day-to-day life. There are different types of advertisements, say for example the commercial advertisements, or you can say the social advertisements, isn't it? So altogether, how are these made, right? So today I am going to explain how the commercial advertisements are made, okay? Anything which has been which has to be promoted, or the product has to be brought to the into the notice of the people, that how they can purchase it, or what are the different qualities of the products, etc., okay? And of course these are definitely related to the different aspects, like some emotions, or you can say the presentation, everything counts here, isn't it? But at the same time, how these advertisements are made, that you should know, right? So to explain this, I am just giving a short explanation today, and the other part we will be carrying out in detail in the next class when we have our online class, okay? Right? So this is a particular advertisement, okay, which is given in your book, right? I'm just going to relate it to that only. I am on page number 84 in your book, and you can see this advertisement, children. This is an advertisement which is indicating how the mother is close to her child, and she is advertising something about a product, okay? Say for example, if it is a soap, right? You must have seen that Pear's advertisement, isn't it? Pear soap advertisement. There also the mother in and the child bonding is being shown, okay? In the same way, this is also an advertisement here which is indicating that there are different types of dals which are available in the market, isn't it? And how these dals can be you can judge the quality of the dals, okay, right? By seeing them, by visualizing them, right? As well as when you, if you have to purchase a product, then you have to go through many aspects, say for example the price of the commodity, the expiry date of the commodity, the manufacturing date of the commodity, right? The company, whether it is an authentic company, does it produce quality goods, everything has to be seen, right? So in the same way, these are the two examples which are being given here, right? Now how these advertisements are made, here this is a picture which is indicating the different celebrities or the different personalities who do these advertisements, okay? On this picture it is being given here that these are the different personalities who do these advertisements in order to promote the goods which are being manufactured by different companies, okay? And at the same time, I am also explaining to you about the making of these advertisements, okay? Now you can see here, children, in your book, this is a particular soap, okay, which the company has to make. Now this picture you can see, it is a picture of a city, right? These activities are carried out in urban areas. This is a city, okay? And here is the company, the director of the company, okay, right? The owner of the company who wishes or is willing to make an advertisement for his product. Why? Because he has to popularize his product in the market. So this is a soaps and detergents making company, right, manufacturing company, and they want to promote their good, they want to popularize their good in the market, so they are making an advertisement. Okay, on the next page you can see, children, he is talking with his different officials in his company. Okay, right, and he is having a chat with the different officials in his company, that how they can make this product popular with the people. Okay, right, with the public. And here they are discussing how it can be made, what can be done, what should be the promotion techniques, what should be the making techniques. Okay, what type of technology can be utilized, right? Then here they have just taken a aspect that mother and a child both have a special bonding, isn't it? So how this particular emotion of the individuals can be captured, and this can be utilized to make an advertisement. And definitely when the people will watch this, they will get attracted towards it, and they will definitely try to purchase the good because it is looking attractive. So to make it looking attractive, to present it in a very defined way, okay, what do the companies do is they hire different type of people, okay, who make these advertisements. They hire an ad agency, right? Ad agency क्या होती है? जो कि advertisements को बनाने में help करती है, right? So they hire the advertising agencies, and from therein they project different techniques, they suggest different techniques. A person who is a project director for the advertising company, what does he do? He gave them different ideas. Okay, then there are also some jingles, right? Say for example, if I have to give you a jingle, what is a jingle? तो एक tagline होती है, जैसे Amul the taste of India, or you can say utterly butterly delicious. So what is that? It is a jingle, isn't it? So this is being utilized to make the advertisement, and further by different processes, the ad makers, the jinglers, then the cameramen, then the different celebrities or any of the models, they all are being hired. उनको hire किया जाता है, employ किया जाता है उस particular ad को project करने के लिए, और फिर then they make this ad. Okay, there are different types of techniques as I mentioned, right? And then finally when the ad is ready, then it is being projected on the screens, right? So the different sponsors also do come to sponsor this particular advertisement, and you must have seen on when you see the TV channels, or even in the when you have listen to the radio station. Okay, जैसे FM रेडियो अगर हमने लगाया या विविध भारती लगाया, तो उस पर भी हमें सुनने में आता है कि certain goods are being promoted, right? So there you are not able to visualize that, but on the TV channels when you serve these channels, you must have come across these advertisements. Okay, तो इसमें एक प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर होता है, एंड एड मेकिंग कंपनी को हायर करना पड़ता है, जो भी कंपनी है जिसको अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को पॉपुलराइज करना है, या दे हैव टू गिव एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट, राइट? एंड विद दैट they also, the advertising company comes up with certain taglines for the product, and then it is being made. सिंपल जैसी छोटी छोटी फिल्म्स होती है, शॉर्ट फिल्म या डॉक्यूमेंट्री होती है, रादर एक शॉर्ट फिल्म, एक वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग, या इसको एक छोटे फॉर्म में एक एड मेकिंग फिल्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है, एंड देन इट इज़ बीन projected to the people. Okay, then different companies, the manufacturing companies do have to pay a good amount of money for these advertisements. Okay, and when they have to telecast it on the different TV channels, etc., so there also on the big hoardings, etc., they have to pay a good amount of money for this, right? So again the money with the technology comes into consideration. Okay, and these two together are being utilized to project the advertisements in front of the people. Okay, so here in this picture, as you can see, the advertisement has been already released, or it has been shown through the different posters, or the product do have different attractive pictures on it with its information, etc. Then it has been sold out in the market. When the product is sold out in the market, looking at those attractive pictures or the advertisements or the hoarding people get attracted, they come to the shops and they purchase it. Okay, so here again in this picture you can see there is a lady who is willing to purchase that particular product. She has come after seeing that advertisement and it has definitely captured her emotions, and then finally she purchases that product and she relates herself as the person, like she actually feels herself to be the part of that particular advertisement. Okay, this is how the producers capture your emotions and they popularize their products, and it is a sales promotion technique. Okay, thank you for today. See you in the next class.